1 cubed means 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1, right? So 1 minus 2 cubed minus 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 5. Now 1 minus 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, right? So here is 8 minus 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 5. Now 1 minus 8 minus 3 to the power of 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 times 3 9 and 9 times 3 27 and 27 times 3 81, right? So here is 81 minus 4 to the power of 5. Now 1 minus 8 minus 81 minus 4 to the power of 5 means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 equals 16 and 16 4 and 4 and 4 1024, right? So here is 1024. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. So 1 minus 8 equals minus 7 and minus 81 minus 1024. Now minus 7 and minus 81 equals minus minus plus, so minus 88 minus 1024. Now minus 88 minus 1024 minus minus plus, so minus 1112.